because when your hair is straight, you have to flat iron it. But when it's a curly type of hair, you have to curl it. But this is more like a wavy thing, and it already comes as is. So you just take it, put it on, and keep it moving. With that said, let me tell you guys everything about the hair. The hair comes bleached already, so you don't have to do that. It comes plugged, which means the hairline is perfectly ready for you to slay. It comes with the knots completely invisible. It comes with the part already made. Now you can wear this any way you want because the lace is pretty big. So if you like a middle part better, you can do a middle part. But if you like the side part, it's already made for you. If you are wanting to get into highlights and just do some beautiful colors and you don't want to do it yourself, the hair already comes colored for you. And again, you don't have to curl it, flat iron it, twist it, nothing. You put it on, zhuzh it, and you keep going. The lace is pretty big, so you can part it anyhow you want. It also comes with an elastic band to secure it even more. And then it comes with the clips in the back. And then it also comes with this comb to help you secure your hair. So this is the back of the hair. As you can see, it has more than enough lace. All you do is you hook it under your hair and then bam. Now see, it's secured. So you can really put your hair up in a bun or put one of these things on, put it on and put it in the front, and then you have a nice little ponytail. But yeah, the hair, it fits my head really nicely, and I like that a lot. Yeah, so imposter syndrome, at least my understanding of it, is when you have something or have accomplished something or in a certain position and it just doesn't feel real. Not only that, you have a fear of, you just have a fear because your mindset is still stuck in, I guess, survival mode, whether it's the way you grew up, your background, how you got to where you got to. It's a scary feeling, if I'm being honest. It's a scary feeling. And sometimes I struggle with that. I struggle with, people will see me and say, oh, that's Mercy Gono. That's the girl with, she has a whole bunch of followers and this and that. And I have to think like, wait, are they talking about me? And sometimes even the way I carry myself, when I go to events and functions and things like that, sometimes people, I guess, expect me to sit on my high horse and be, you know, the bougiest person in the place, when in reality, I'm the one with my heels off. I'm helping clean up. I'm helping serve people. I'm helping do this. I'm helping do that. And sometimes people will remind me like, you need to go sit over there, remember? And they'll joke and say, remember, you're our celebrity and things like that. But all of that stems from just my heart. I'm a humble person. I consider myself a humble person. And I will always tell you guys that I wouldn't be in this position at all if it wasn't for you, the viewers, the followers, the supporters, especially the people who've been there from day one. I can never take that from you. I didn't do it by myself. I wouldn't even have done it by myself if I didn't have people who just go hard for me and support me. So I greatly appreciate that. Let me take this pen because I can't find anything else. Do I have a comb here? Let's see if I have a comb. Yeah, I don't have a comb, but you see that after putting the foundation on, it matches my skin now. And look, see, it's glueless. So this is probably one of the easiest install you'll ever do. And again, I love the fact that you don't have to do much with the hair once it's on. Let me go ahead and put this underneath so you can see that it is, in fact, glueless. See that? But y'all know I like to do a little bit of, you know, side swoop baby hair, especially because the hair is a swoop. Let's go ahead and swoop it down. Yeah, let's do that. All right, y'all. I'm just gonna swoop it a little bit. I like to have these little side swoop. I like to have these little side swoop because I think it makes the hair look more realistic. So I'm gonna then take my scarf and tie it down for a few minutes. There we go. Okay, y'all, so it's been a few minutes. Let's go ahead and take this off. All right, here you have it, family. That was the simplest, easiest install I've ever done, like ever. This took a few seconds. As I said, this is a glueless wig. The wig has already been plugged. It has been pre-bleached, pre-plugged. You can barely see the knots. As you can see there, it looks like it's coming out of my scalp. Again, you can do any part, middle part, side part, front part, whatever part you want. I think it's really cute, and it's a simple install where you don't have to pay somebody to do it for you. You don't have to go to a salon, and you don't even have to spend time doing it. So yeah, that is Forever Beauty hair. If you're looking for a hair that's gonna really make you stand out during these holidays, but something you don't have to put a lot of work into, I say this is it. Let me show you the back. Actually, I'm gonna put a little bit of mousse. This is my mousse. I got this from the beauty supply store. This is what it looks like. I don't know what brand it is, but let's go ahead and put a little bit just to show you that you can actually put mousse in it and it holds the mousse so nicely. Look at that. And it just tames it, right? If you want to, especially the front, the little flyaways, you can put a little bit of mousse. But if you want that crisp, almost like wet look, you can put a lot of mousse into it.